state.
Leader of the opposition, Ronnie V. Lyngdoh, has underlined the need to engage various stakeholders for implementing the National Education Policy 2020 in the state. He stressed that it's important to bring policymakers, university or college teachers and students should come together to help understand the hurdles that need to be addressed for implementing the NEP. Lyngdoh said it is essential to have a comprehensive policy to deliberate on all the issues so that the students do not suffer. Meanwhile, he also suggested that the need to rope in members from the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo communities in the expert committee to review the job reservation policy of 1972. Lyngdoh said representation from the three tribes in the expert committee is critical to addressing all concerns pertaining to the job quota policy, and that they will take up the matter with the government.
So I think all of us should come into this together, be it the policymakers, be it the university, the MCTA, even involve student community to really understand what is that is required to fully implement this. We cannot simply implement it and then after that regret because it's not been, it's not been comprehensive. There are, lacunae here and there, anomalies discussed again with the government so that they include from this community, because to address the issue of these communities must have somebody from representing the communities, Garo and the Khasi community. Some of the people to have an expert committee to settle this issue, I think has borne fruit, has been successful, and I believe it will carry forward.
The members of the Hindu Tribe National Youth